Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. 1,389 square meters ang total lot area or size. But only a portion is for sale, is around 1,000 square meters. It's a titled property at 3,000 pesos per square meter. Slightly negotiable. So, 3,000 na igog 3 million guys. Mahangyo daw o gamay. This is located in Barangay Tangnan, Panglao Island o Panglao Bohol. So, just few minutes away from the center of Panglao Island or airport, dool po sa airport. And it has an access to the beach, kaliguanan. So mao ni siya guys ang for sale. Then it has several improvements like coconut trees and banana trees, jackfruit, mao ni mga tanom niya guys. Then 50 meters away from the concrete road. 50 ra gyud ka metros gikan sa concrete road. Then Tangnan is nearer to the center of Panglao or poblasyon in Panglao. So dool ra siya gid sa poblasyon guys. So and this price is very very reasonable or cheap. Very cheap or affordable. Kay diha dapita is ranging already at 5,000 pesos per square meter. So, kuan na guys. Barato ra gini siya guys. Din approximately 200 meters away from the beach. Kanang kaliguanan ba? 200 metros ra gyud. So meaning dool ra 200 meters away ra gyud. So very nice. Then few minutes drive from Panglao International Airport. So dool ra gyapon sa airport di guys. Ni gawas ni Mospikas iskina na airport na dapit. Na 5 minutes na airport na ka. So this is a very very nice listing. So mura lang siya kanang murag ni rolling o gamay. Napagani coconut trees kita na to. So very nice. See? I repeat, 1,389 and only 1,000 square meters is for sale. So, ang 389, ila pod ipuyan. So, ila lang baligyaan og 1,000 square meters. 3 million, mahangi o gamay, slightly negotiable. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land titles. Condominium title, process po ta na guys. Then, kung ikaw, ganahan ka mo pa-appraise sa imong property, yuta, appraisal, mudawat sa ta guys, kay natay appraiser nga member sa ato ang company or realty. Then, napot tayo mga designer, kanang interior designer. Magyapon. So, money ang beach guys. Although low tide man siya, kuan ra mga tao pero kinisad nga access agianan punis manaragat. So makatilaw jud kag labas nga isda diri dapita. Fresh face from the mananagat. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.